what's up, it's Bella. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome. If you're brand new, be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you guys get notified for future videos, and be sure to follow my TikTok and my Instagram that are on the screen. I post a lot on those other two social medias. I'm looking at a crazy amount of boxes, and I feel like I have not done like a collective haul in so long, and I miss doing these. So today we have perfume, we have brand stuff that I've been sent, it's a lot of stuff in front of me, so we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. If you're interested in any of these products, you guys can click the description box down below, and I have all the products linked in order for you guys to shop. And without further ado, let's get started. I'm super excited for this video. So the other day on Instagram, which I'm very active on, so be sure to follow me, I was like, y'all ask me questions, like I want to get to know y'all, like I want y'all to get to know me. So someone asked, what new pair of sneakers have I picked up recently? And of course, the day you guys asked me, I got a new pair, so I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So these are from StockX, that's where I purchased them from. I'm really heavily into dunk highs, and I love these so much, and I feel like I've not seen really anyone with these, so I was like, I'm gonna get them, I'm gonna try to be unique. These are the Nike Dunk High PRM Dark Russet. I love these. Oh my goodness. I feel like they're very like fall, December vibes, and I feel like I can totally rock them now. They're like a year-round type of shoe. They're like velvet, like terry cloth kind of vibes all over. Like not one part is like leather. It's like orange, neutral, dark brown, and the bottom is like a sand color. I just really like these. I feel like they're unique, but they're also like a staple and like an essential that can really go with a lot of things. And I am a US 8 in women's for reference, but I get these in a 6.5 men's, because if you can fit in men's shoes, why not get men's? But yeah, I'm super obsessed with those. And I know I just recently did a sneaker collection, so let's just act like I'm adding this to my collection. I haven't shopped on Urban Outfitters in quite a bit of time, but my brother's graduation is actually coming up super soon. So the day you guys are seeing this, I'll be leaving for his graduation in like 4 or 5 days. So I picked up a dress, and I'm hoping it fits, so let's unbox it. Ooh. I got 2 sizes because I wasn't sure which one would fit me. This dress is called the Urban Outfitters Mallory Cowl Neck Slip Back. I got a medium and a large because I typically run between those 2 sizes just because my body type isn't like, it's like this. So I typically run between like a medium and a large. Ooh, this is so cute. What size is this one? This is the medium. I think that this one will fit me. It's just super simple. I'm planning to wear it with my Dior B23 high top sneakers, and then I ordered a Dior black matte saddle bag. I'm so excited. Me and my mom decided to get one, so that's coming in soon, and I can't wait to wear it with this. But look how cute. It's really simple, and it looked really good online, so I'm gonna try this on later, and then I am going to, that's what I'll be wearing for his graduation, hopefully, if it fits me. I'm pretty sure everyone loves a good Target moment, so let's get into this little bag. Nothing crazy, just a few things that I picked up and I thought I'd share with you guys. So I recently just saw this like all over the internet, and it's the Crest Whitening Emulsions. It says 1 minute apply and go. I don't know, I love whitening my teeth. You guys always ask me how I get my teeth so white, and it's the toothpaste that I use. It is the best. It's the Crest 3D White Stain Eraser. I use Icy Clean Mint from Target. Oh my gosh, this is like, my teeth are so white, it's crazy. And that's not from whitening them, that's just from this toothpaste. So I'm gonna try whitening. I used to love whitening like when I was younger, so I'm excited to try this one, and I hope it's good. If you guys have tried this, let me know, but it's like the new thing on the market. I'm also heavily into flossing, so my favorite flossers are the Plackers Micro Mint, and you get 160, so I keep them in my car, I keep them in my little nightstand, I keep them everywhere because I'm obsessed with flossing my teeth. And last up, my favorite lotion. My cousin got me hooked on this. It's the Nivea Value Size Essentially Enriched with almond oil. I love this stuff. This stuff is chef's kiss. It's so good, super nourishing. It smells like baby powder though, like baby lotion, which I don't really mind, but like it's whatever. It does take a minute to rub in because it's like stark white, so you want to make sure all the white's gone. But other than that, it's really good, super nourishing, and I love how I feel after I put this on. And I go through like a bottle a month, so that's why I always get the value size. Pixi Beauty sent me over a little PR package, so I thought I would show it to you guys. I've already opened it and seen everything that's in it, and I was like, you guys are literally the best, so let's open it. So cute. So I live at the beach, so this is gonna be like my beach bag, but oh my gosh, it comes with 3 products in it, which is absolutely so amazing. So we have the Glycolic body wash. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try this. I did not read what was in here. All I did was open it. It's so cute. We have the Glycolic body peel, and then we have the Glycolic body lotion. Wow. A glow from head to toe is what Pixi says. That is so cool. So all of these are basically going to energize your skin, improve skin tone and texture with long-lasting moisture. I'm going to try these tonight because I do have to like do like a full shower routine, like shave. I have to like wash my hair, all that fun stuff. And then I'm going to try these tonight, and I'll let you guys know how they are in the description box down below with like an update. So this brand actually reached out to me on Instagram. Their name is Rejuvenator, which I think is super cool, super unique. So they sent me their signature shoe cleaning kit, and I'm super excited to try this. So while I'm talking about this, I'm gonna put an overlay of me cleaning a pair of like dirty shoes so you guys can see how it makes a difference. But they're super sweet, super nice over there, and like I love when brands reach out to me that are like totally up my alley. Like I own like 70 pairs of sneakers. You best believe I'm gonna be using this on my sneakers. So this package comes with a cloth right here, and then you have this drawstring bag, which I'm sure you would use maybe to, that's a good question. I don't know what you're gonna use this for. I should probably read the directions before like promoting them to you guys. But whatever. You get a cleaning solution, and then you get a brush right here. You get a white brush, and you get a black brush as well, and then you also get the brush that I just showed you. And you get these things to put in your shoe, which are really great for cleaning so you don't crease your toe boxes. So you're just gonna slip these into your shoe, and it makes the top of it hard so you're able to press down without any damage to your beautiful, wonderful sneakers. So yeah, thank you guys so much for sending this to me. Super cool concept, absolutely love that. Like this is great. And I'm excited to continue using this on all my sneakers. I have a feeling it's gonna work super well, and I just know I'm gonna love it. So be sure to check them out down below, you guys. I will have a link down below and also a code for you guys. So you guys can use my code Isabella for 10% off down below with the link. And if you guys want to clean your sneakers, be sure to use this product. So I've always wanted to shop on the Mayfair group, and I was super drawn to one of their sweatsuits, so I decided to purchase it and give it a go. So let's see what it looks like. Well, actually, I just lied. Like, I've already seen what it looks like, but let me show you what it looks like. They're so cute. Y'all know I'm really into this color green right now, and I'm into an orange. So like, so it says emotional on the leg. These sweatpants are super, super nice, really great quality, except I got a large, extra large, because that's what the size chart told me. But definitely not a large, extra large. I have already placed like an exchange for these because I need a medium large, but super cute. And then I got the matching sweatshirt. Stay expectant for the Instagram pics in this outfit because they're gonna be really good. Look how cute. So it says choose your own emotional adventure. Oh, I love it. I love this color pine green, and I think pine green looks so beautiful when colors are staggered on it. So this is the perfect thing to embody what I'm feeling right now. So I picked up some perfumes from Sephora. I actually just did a Sephora VIB sale haul, which I will link down below for you guys. And all of these were recommended by you guys, so I picked them up. As always, I always listen to you guys. And there's also a giveaway in that video, so be sure to check it out. And also, perfume collection coming super, super soon. Stay tuned. So I'm really into Tom Ford right now, and I already have like 3 of his perfumes, so I decided to pick up 2 more before the sale ended. I got the Tom Ford Neroli Portofino 50 milliliter, and then the Mandarino di Amalfi 50 milliliter. I'm really bad at naming things, but this bottle, luxurious. Like, I am so here for Tom Ford perfumes. This one smells so good. I'm not gonna spray it because I already have it on me, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. It leaves such a like long lasting smell, and I've always found that like Tom Ford perfumes have to sit for a second before they fully develop. And this one, like at first, like it was really good. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and I was like, I can't stop smelling my arm. Like, it smells so good. I'll go more into like the notes and stuff and what's in this perfume in my perfume video. But yeah, super excited about that. Thank you guys for recommending that to me. And then the last one was the Mandarino di Amalfi. This one is like a clear blue. This one smells like straight citrus. Summer vibes for sure. Very like Italy vibes. Like, oh, smells so good. Again, super long lasting. Like Tom Ford perfumes take a little bit to develop, but once they develop, like they are absolutely so immaculate in smell. He just nails it. Like, he just nails it. I also picked up Product Candy. This is just the original one. I used to have this. in my like perfume collection from 3 years ago, and I got rid of it for some reason. I'm not really sure why. I think I was trying to downsize on perfumes, acting like I wasn't fully obsessed with them, and then I got rid of it. So I repurchased. One of you guys reminded me the other day how good it smells, and I was like, you're totally right. And then this one was recommended by one of you, so be sure to let me know if it was you. But this is Burberry Her. I just got the 1.6 fluid ounce because I wasn't sure how I would like it. Packaging is really cute, simplistic, definitely Burberry-esque. Like, they totally nailed the packaging. This one is amazing. I kind of get like vanilla musk vibes. I don't know, man. I really like this one too. Like, this one's super good. Like, y'all know me super well with my perfumes. So that's everything from Sephora. Another Sephora haul is coming very soon, probably in like 20-ish days, and then perfume collection really soon, so stay tuned. You're gonna love it. So I got another PR package. This is from ALGENIST. Y'all know I love the ALGENIST. I love their liquid collagen for the lips. Like, I rave about it on my channel. So they sent over their new triple algae eye renewal balm. I'm going to be doing a TikTok on this, so be sure to stay tuned. But this helps reduce the look of dark circles. Y'all know I've been talking about how my eyes have been like red and dark for some odd reason. So I have a feeling this is going to fully help me out. So they sent me some pamphlets on it as well. So this is obviously supposed to be eye brightening and supposed to get rid of your dark circles. It is clinically shown in just 10 days to visibly reduce the dark circles under your eyes. I'm so excited to try this. Like I said, stay tuned for my TikTok on this product. It's gonna be really good, and yeah, I'm just really pumped. Okay, so we have a Gucci purchase. This is actually something I got like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, maybe a month ago, a little over a month ago. Something, whenever it came out, I instantly purchased it. My lady at Gucci actually texted me like before this was released, and she was like, Belle, you're gonna love this. And she sent me a photo, and I was like, up my alley, so I ordered it from her. So this is the new ring. Y'all look at this. It's stunning. She knows me so well. Like, Maria, I love you so much. I can't wait to see you soon. So the ring came in this cute like little Gucci like little dust bag thing, which I typically don't keep these, but this one is super cute, so I am gonna keep it. But it is just like, I think it's called like the GG something key ring, because like on the edge of it, it has like a key to where it would like relapse. I have a medium, and I put it on my middle finger on my left hand, and it's just beautiful diamonds. Like, they're just super stunning. I love it. Super here for it. I wish I could show you guys a better kind of look at it, but it's super sparkly. I actually like catch myself just like staring at it every now and then. I'm just like, that is really gorgeous. Y'all know I love Gucci, GG, Goria gang, my gang, and I love my Gucci rep. She's amazing, so it's so pretty. So next up, I picked up a Von Dutch hat. I know these go crazy on social media, and I've always wanted to try one. So I'm going to try it on for you guys and even possibly mess up my hair right now. They have so many different ones on the Von Dutch website, and I can't wait to style this on Instagram. But this is the one that really drew my attention, and it's like this beautiful like lime green velvet. The quality of these hats are really nice too. Okay, I'm totally gonna mess up my hair for this. I didn't put it on right, y'all. I forgot. I always do this. I never move my hair back before I put hats on. Let's try it now. I love this. I think I look good in trucker hats. I don't care what anyone else says. I think this is so cute. I can't wait to style this on Instagram. Honestly, I'm at this point where I think I'm gonna start collecting these, so be sure to let me know which one to get next. But it's just really nice quality, and I love the way it looks and the coloring. It's really pretty. So I have another designer purchase. This is from Dior. I've been wanting this for quite a bit of time, and I keep seeing it all over Pinterest. So Pinterest really influenced me on this one. This is a necklace, and I wore it in a past video because I've had this for like a month and a half. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh, it's a choker. It is a choker that says it has a CD on the front of it for Christian Dior, obviously. It's so luxurious, a bougie bells right here. I don't know, y'all. It's adorable. It's really cute. I have the ring in my car. I'm definitely gonna purchase it. Just came back in stock the other day, and I'm gonna get it for my thumb because I don't have any thumb rings. I have like this Habibi one over here because I am Middle Eastern, and then I have this Gucci one over here that I got like a year ago, maybe it was less. I have this ring right here with my cousin, matching bestie rings, and then I have the new Gucci one. So I'm gonna put one on my right thumb. But nothing crazy. Actually overly expensive, but I really like it. Okay, last but not least, I told you guys I'm really into trucker hats right now. So my friends Erin and Freddie have been into this brand called the Ropa, and I was like, y'all, I'm really into trucker hats, send me a good one. So they told me to shop on the Ropa, and I found one that I really like, so I thought I'd pick it up. Isn't it pretty? It's really pretty. Y'all, this like is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Let's try this on even though I know it's gonna not fit me right now. Ugh. See, I did it again. I don't move my hair behind me. Trucker hats are definitely super different because like how big they are, but I like them. Cute, right? Okay, y'all, that is it for this really big collective shopping haul. I feel like this was so much stuff. I feel like I've been sitting here for a minute as well. But yeah, everything will be linked down below for you guys to shop if you guys are interested. Be sure to stay tuned for future videos. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell and follow my social medias that are on the screen. I love you guys so much. Like, my heart is you guys, literally. I've been loving over this past week connecting with more of you and connecting on my Instagram with you all. I'm super active over there, so I love asking questions and DMing y'all. I always DM y'all. It's my favorite thing ever. Okay, so my quote of the day is, don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. Hello, I feel like someone needed to hear that today. I feel like we all, everyone in this world has compared themselves to at least one person. And you're like, why am I not in this position that they are? And why not, why not, why not? It's not your time. You have to understand that not everything is about you in this moment. You have certain things to reach up to before you reach this certain thing. So just make sure that you're staying patient and you're not comparing yourself, because you are the only person that is you. So why be jealous? Why compare? Like, take pride in the fact that there is only one of you. That astonishes me. No one is like you. Like, no one has exactly what you have. So take pride in that. Become the main character. I dare you. I'm the main character. Why aren't you the main character? Anyways, I love y'all so much. I'll see you guys in the very next video, which is coming very soon. And yeah, all right.